there's an addition to the political lexicon in Nigeria in all this. And that's the, what's it called again? Ohanifere, the Ohanize and the Afenifere thing, Ohanifere, which basically says that the Yorubas can work with the Igbos, the socio-political groups, the two of them. What's your view on this Ohanifere movement?
Okay, for the sake of full disclosures, I am a member of the National Caucus of Afenifere, and I am also a co-opted member of his National ESCO when it is expanded. So, the Ohanifere, but I'll take it from one anecdote, based on factual anecdote that my leader, Chief Ayo Adebanjo, has shared with a few of us, and has actually shared in a meeting we had with Ohaneze some time back. And it was of a campaign rally that Chief Obafemi Awolowo went for in Aba. Yeah, it was in Aba, and I believe it was in 1957 or thereabout. We went there for an election campaign. And when they got back to their base, as was usual with Chief Obafemi Awolowo, you had to do a post-mortem of the day's event. And Papa told them that, see these Igbo people, we have no choice, we have to work with them, because if we don't work with them, we will end up commonly enslaved. And he removed his cap, the first cap that the Baba used to wear, and he showed them a bloodied part of his head. He was stoned at the rally in Aba. But people didn't realize that that the stone hit him at all, but he was partially protected. Whilst he was busy rubbing his wound, he was telling his lieutenants that you have to work with the Igbo or will be commonly enslaved. This was the basis of engagement at all points in time, because we understand very clearly that the handshake across the Niger is not just empty talk. It is something that must happen if Nigeria is to ever become the dream of its founders, which was that nobody should be enslaved by any party, and all of us should be able to develop at our own pace based on true federalism. When we work at cross purpose with each other, we have been mutual losers. So that some people are talking Ohanifere. Yeah, there is indeed an Ohanifere, and it is about finding ways to work better together.